Umdlali wasakhulayo uTendai Izimutho nguye onqobe kucelela abesilisa emncintiswaneni we-Liga Hub 10 km fun run oqhutshwe ngempelaviki edluleyo edolobheni lakoBulawayo. UZimutho ogijimela iqembu le-Black Rhinos Athletics Club utshikilisane kakhulu lo-Wellington Varevi oweqembu le-Blanket Mine yena oqede kundawo yesibili, kwathi uPhathisa Ngwabi weqembu le-Hwange Athletics Club nguye ophutshe kundawo yesithathu. Ekhuluma ngemva komjaho, uNgwabi uthe uzwe sekutshisa esiswini phakathi laphakathi komjaho.
But after 3 days, I was just so 3 hours. So we sing as well for sale and get rest.
Ukucelela abesifazane kunqobe uPatience Morove, kuthi uN Chirisa nguye ophutshe esendaweni yesibili, kwathi uLynette Tom nguye oqede esendaweni yesithathu. Onqobe kumncintiswano we-wheelchair racing kucelela abesilisa ngu-Elford Moyo, kuthi uSamson Muroyiwa uqede esendaweni yesibili. Kucelela abesifazane kunqobe uMargaret Phangajena, kuthi uThandiwe Ndlovu nguye oqede esendaweni yesibili. Ngimele iStudio 7 ngoBulawayo, nginguJoseph Njanji.